If 2026 is that year where you say, I want to make a lot of money this year, I want to make a good amount of money this year, then in 2026, you must operate in a place of knowledge. Now, what do I mean by this? If you want to go into any business and you don't have like an adequate information about that particular business, the best advice you can get from me today is get a mentorship on that particular trade that you want to go into. If you want to go into the forex trading business, you need to get a mentor, or you need to get information that will educate you about forex trading. If you want to go into stock trading, you want to start trading stocks, buying stock and, having to let it to grow, appreciate, and you getting your money back by selling your stock, buying and selling stock. You also need to get education on how the market works so that you know the right stock to choose and place your money in. That is how it is in the book publishing business. If you want to learn how to write a book and become a pro publisher that makes money out of the business of publishing, you also need to get a mentor. You need to get someone who will show you this is how this is done. This is because there are different branches when it comes to, book publishing, and there are different things you need to know in running the business effectively. That is number one why you need a mentor. There is a metrics I want to show to you guys, which is on my laptop, and these metrics will show to you how valuable the information I have packaged as a course is. This course, the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint, have about 400 plus students. There are about 470 plus students right now. And this was not achieved through, running of ads or anything like that. This was just achieved organically by people who saw my YouTube videos, saw that the information I'm sharing on YouTube are valuable. They came to my DM and, got the course. I've had students that, came from nothing, bought other courses. For a matter of fact, 90% of the students I have are students that have bought 1, 2, 3. I have a student that I bought actually about 9 KDP course. But when he bought the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint, the rest was history. I have students that are making $3,000, $2,000, $8,500 in a single month. You understand? Now, most of the recent videos I've done have come with different testimonials of my students that are currently doing well in the business of publishing. These guys are operating in the place of knowledge. Without saying too much, let's go into my system. Let me show you the metrics I want to show to you so that you can decide for yourself if this is an information you want to invest your money in. And I can tell you for a fact, there is no one who can show you how to do this business in Africa right now just the way I am going to show you. There is no one. This is the best Amazon KDP course in Africa. I will say it. Even if a lot of people don't want to hear me say it, I will have to say it because I have tested. There is no course I haven't tested. If I haven't gone through a course, someone in my mentorship has gone through a course and also testified how that course is. So I get first-hand information about how this information is. And if they are valuable and tested and trusted, they should be getting people results. Let's get into the metrics. Okay, just like I said, I told you guys that I will be showing you a metrics, you understand? So after seeing this metrics, you can decide for yourself if this is an information you need to invest in this year. If you are someone who wants to make money and you want to make good amount of money and you want to make this money with book publishing, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online, you understand? And in this business, you don't have to show your face. You just have to write ebooks. You don't even have to use your real name. You use pen names, you understand, that are not your name. And you just create these quality books that people want to buy and you upload them on this platform and it sells. You understand? Now, this is where I hosted my course on Seller, where you can get access to it if you want to purchase the course you get. And this is the review for 2025. Now, if you go here, you will see, okay, this is how much this course made in 2025. This is how much we made from the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP course in 1.282 million. You understand? Let me just say 1.2 million. Okay. And you can see Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint, best-selling product, Zero to Hero Amazon KDP. On Seller, it has made 63 sales. Okay. Now, most of the sales that has come from this particular course has come from people who came to my DM direct and made payment directly to my account. We have over 400 students in the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint. You understand? And if you can see here, you see top customers, and these are countries of people that have gotten access to the course. Now, currently, there are over 32 countries, people from different countries that have purchased this course. Understand? So these are the people from the top countries that have purchased the DTH Amazon KDP Blue. As you can see, Canada, Ghana, India. I have students from India. What was it called? Nigeria, United States. You understand? I have students from the UK. I have students. The last student that just bought through the link on seller, which is in all of my YouTube videos, was from Botswana. You understand? That is Botswana. Botswana is an African country. You get was from Botswana. You understand? So I have students from Cameroon. I have students from UAE. You know, I have students from like different countries of the world. You get, so as you can see, my best selling a month in 2025 was in May. I don't know what I did to sell so much in May. Now, this product, the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint, currently has over 470 students. Over 470 students, and 210 students are foreigners, people that are not Nigerian. You understand? People that are not Nigerian. And that is to show you how effective this course is. And I have not done like a major promotion when it comes to this course. Most of the course, the course purchase has been through referrals, people referring other people. I have coaches, like coaches who have course in the publishing business, who have referred their students to come and get this course. That is how effective and how powerful this course is. You get, I have coaches, I have people who have bought different Amazon KDP course who have come to. As a matter of fact, 90% of the students here are people that have bought one or two Amazon KDP course. You understand? The reason why they bought this course is because it is effective. You understand? It is not something, it is something that shows you. If you watch my YouTube videos, you see how I create I make sure that you understand what you are, what I'm showing you. In the course, I took my time to explain how publishing business and the publishing industry works, and how you can become a pro publisher that really makes money out of this business. You understand? Now, this course has done over 12 million sales, and in this year alone, it has done over 2.5 million naira in sales, and it's going to make more money because if I start running ads for this course before this year ends, we will have over 3,000 students. You understand? And I'm not ready for that for now, but I want people to also get the course because I'll actually run the ads for this product. Because how can you have the best Amazon KDP course in Africa and you are not showing it to more people to help more people? You understand? And by the way, one of my goals is to help people understand money, how to make it, how to manage it, and how to multiply it. So you are not only learning how to write books and sell books in this course, you will also be learning how to manage your money, how to multiply your money, how to diversify your money. You understand? Some people can make money, but managing the money, multiplying the money is what they cannot do. You get? So the value that you are getting from this course is just out of this world. And if you want to get access to the course, all you need to do is you can use what's it called? There will be a link in the description of this video. Just click on the link. It will take you to seller. As you get, it will take you to seller. If you want to make payments for the course, you apply the promo code Hero65. That promo code will only last up to the end of the month, up to the end of January, because the course is going to 100,000 on February. We want to enter February. The course price is actually increasing to 100,000. So if you want to get it, you get it now. The only thing you need to invest in getting it now is just 20,000 naira. You understand? So that you have to save 80,000 on February. So, and you also, if you are getting it now, you also, join the 90 days challenge that is going on. You understand? And you also get a free Google Playbooks course. I will show you how to publish on Google Playbook. What this helps you is that you are going to be publishing one book and you are going to be pushing it to more platforms, which makes you more money. You get? So it is one wise way to publish your book as a publisher. That is a winning strategy. Publishing your book, translating them to different languages, pushing them to different platforms, you make more money. If you are not making money on this language, you are making money on this particular marketplace, and that is the way to go on this business. Every single thing to make you a pro successful publisher has been covered in this particular mentorship. You can contact me on WhatsApp. Contact me on WhatsApp. Say, I want to get the course for the discounted price, and make payment for the course. You get access to it. So I want you to make the decision for yourself if this is a good investment that you can invest your money in 2026. I can tell you for a fact, if book publishing is that vehicle you want to go into to make money, I'm the only person that can show you how to do it. That stress, with commitment to you, commitment to your success, without stress, and with you seeing that you are getting results, and you also belong in a community of people who are also getting results from the business. You understand? I have students that are really, really, really well in this business. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to contact me on WhatsApp or use the link in the description of this. Thank you so much. As always, I am Value Bank and I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.